back with another Halloween makeup tutorial, and for this look we are doing a Glam Pirate. If you have not seen last week's video or the video before, go ahead and watch those, maybe after this one or before, whatever you want to do, it's all up to you. But last week I did a mermaid, the week before I did Pennywise from the movie It, and today I went with a very glam mermaid. Now I feel like this month is all about the glam, so it's like Glamoween. I got that name from this other YouTuber Halloween thing I was watching, this guy, and he also did a Pennywise thing and he called his series Glamoween, and I'm like, if you really think about it, like everything I've done is like really glam, so Glamoween. And then next week's video I'm really excited for. Like that's the look I've wanted to do for like so long, and I'll save the best for last, I think, in my personal opinion, because I'm going like all out. But anyways, not what the video is about. You guys came to see this look, so let us jump into the tutorial. Now, as usual, the first thing I did was primer and brows, and for primer I did use Milk of Magnesia because you want your look to stay on all day or all night, wherever or whenever you're wearing this look. For brows, I did my black brown pencil. I will try to link, like I'll put everything that I used in the description bar. I'm gonna do that for the last two videos as well because I know I didn't, so I'm gonna go do that, and then so you can have, you know, yeah. After brows I did foundation, and for foundation I went with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420. Now I do have a review on the Fenty makeup line. If you guys want to go check it, it will be in the description bar below. So after foundation I went and I highlighted my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick, I believe it's called, in the shade Maple. I blended that out with a beauty blender and then baked with my Benign banana powder. While I was baking, I went ahead and contoured with Truffle, also from the Fenty Beauty line, and then I went over it with the Benign Ebony powder. After contouring, I took a big fluffy brush and dusted away all the Benign banana powder, and then I went in with the Benign again in between my jaw and, what's this, my jaw and my cheek contour? What do you call right here? In between here, I did a little baking right here, okay? You'll see it in the clip down below. Now, while right here, this section here is baking, we are going to jump into the eyes. Now, the first thing I did, because the Too Faced Just Peachy palette that we are using for the entire month, because it doesn't have a black in there, I went ahead and I took a black jumbo pencil with a really tiny brush, and I just dipped the brush into the pencil and went on my lids all the way up into my crease with that black. And then I went into the Too Faced Just Peachy palette into the color Chocolate Dipped, which is the darkest shade in the palette right there. Now after I did that and I applied the shadow, I passed it onto the black, I took the cleaner side of the brush just to blend out the top into the crease right there of my lid, just so that it's not too, I don't know what the word is, but you want to blend it out so it looks a little bit more, you know, not like you just plaster it on your face. It looks more professional, is that the word I'm looking for? You want it to look seamless and blended. You don't just want it to be just on your lid just like that. I have no words today. I can't find the words today. It's way too early. I repeated the same step under my lower lash line. I used the same black jumbo pencil with the brush, applied that under my eye, and then went in with the same chocolate dip with a smudge brush and applied that under my lash line. After that, I went ahead, took a fluffy brush, dusted away the Benign powder that I had in between my contour, just to give it that more snatched, more savage look. Like literally as I was dusting, I'm like, ooh, I should call this a savage pirate look. How about that? Mascara and lashes, and then I added some rhinestones. If you guys remember from the last video, I did pick up these pack of rhinestones from the beauty supply store. I think it was like $3 or $4 for it. You get a bunch of rhinestones in there, and I applied it with my clear lash glue. Now I only put 3 stones, 1 2 3 1 2 3, right near the tear ducts, and I use the black stones. You can use gold, you can use silver, you can use whatever rhinestones that you want to use. Okay, and they're really easy to pick up. Just take your tweezers and just dip it in there. They're kind of sticky, So you just pick it up and then apply it right on the glue. Super simple. After rhinestones, I took the blonde stick from the Fenty Beauty line and I highlighted the higher points of my face. So that's my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and under my brow here, under the arches, right there. The, what do you call this? On my brow bone. Okay, I cannot find the words. I don't know what's going on. After highlighting, I added a cross, a little cross tattoo, if you will. I took the same black jumbo pencil with the brush, made the cross, and when I was done, that was gonna be it. But I'm like, it looks kind of basic. So I went in again with the same black rhinestones and the lash glue and apply the rhinestones over the cross, and that is what we have there. I feel like if I'm gonna be a glam pirate, I have to go like all out and be like extra. And if you want, you can go ahead and add bottom lashes. You could put rhinestones underneath your lower lash line. You can put rhinestones above your brows. There's so much you could do to make this look even more poppy and more extra and more over the top glam if you wanted to. Okay, after the cross, I went on to lips, and the lips that I'm wearing are, I have to grab it and show you, the Viva Glam Taraji P. Henson lip collection by MAC. I used both the lipstick and the lip gloss to give this gorgeous shimmery goldeny lippy lip. I did want a nuder lip. I was gonna go red, but I wanted something darker, so I went with the brown lipstick, which looks like so, right? Very satiny, very creamy to go on, so it's very hydrating, very moisturizing. And then I put the lip gloss on top of it, which has, it's more of a gold than a brown, if anything. And when you put it on there, it is so glossy, it's ridiculous. You know how MAC lipsticks and lip glosses are. So yeah, that is pretty much what the lips are. Now, you'll see me attempt to put on a headscarf in the video. Headscarf did not work for me. If I had maybe a different color or a different fabric, I don't know, maybe it would have worked, but I didn't feel like that scarf worked for the look. It was just too florally and it just wasn't working for me. So I lost the headscarf. I didn't set for my hair. I just really just like teased it with my fingers, pretty much. No comb, no brush, because I don't feel like as a pirate you're just gonna sleep and wake up and for some reason have gorgeous hair. I don't know where they're finding these hair products, but as a glam pirate, your hair is gonna be nice and flawless. And the hair that I'm wearing is from Don Millie hair, and I will have a review for you in a couple weeks on this hair. So yeah, I literally woke up like this. Like, I didn't have to comb it, I didn't have to brush it. It's just super soft, super nice, super bouncy, super gorgeous, and I love it. The very last thing I did, which every glam pirate needs, is to add jewelry. So I have 3 rings on this hand, I have a cuff on this hand, and then I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3 necklaces, 2 chokers, and then this golden thing right here. If I remember where I got them, I will link it in the description bar for you guys to see. But that is the look, my glammy pirate. I woke up like this, super like rhinestoney, super dark, huge lashes. Please, you gotta do the huge lashes, because you want, when you're on your boat, your ship, your whatever, all the other pirates to see you and be like, ooh, there she goes, that's the glam pirate. This is the look. I hope you guys love it. If you guys try any of these looks, and I should save this bit for next week, but if you guys try any of these looks, please tag me on Instagram at KissyFace. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget your flask.